Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable camera upload in OneDrive app at 2026. So actually guys, the camera upload automatically backs up your photos and videos from your device to OneDrive. So actually you will need just to install and open the OneDrive app from the Google Play. And after that, you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Then you will need just go ahead and tap on the profile icon that's located on the top left corner. Okay, so that's it. Locate it and tap it just like so. And after that, you will need to locate the settings option. It's the second option on that left sidebar menu. Just go ahead, tap it, and then look for the camera backup option, okay, or camera upload. After that, just go and tap on confirm here, and then make sure to toggle on this option, and also you will need to toggle on that option if needed. Right, so right now I want you to go ahead and tap on backup device folders on organize and new backups section. So just tap it, and from here you will need to choose or to tap on the camera until you can see the check mark beside it. And then you're done. So OneDrive right now will automatically back up features like photos and videos. So actually guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.